Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So this is how I do my smoothie every morning. This is a frozen spinach, apple, ginger, lemon, cucumber, banana, mango and grape fruit. I cannot do my smoothie without my spinach. I love spinach so much in my smoothie. So I'm going to cut all these vegetables and then I'm going to put them in here and then I will blend. So this is the whole fruit. I put a little bit of water. So I'm going to close it. So now I will start blending. You have to choose the function. So I really want it faster. So it has finished blending. Oh, you see how green. This is how I love my smoothie. So I'm going to pour some here. I'm the only one at home. My kids have gone to school. Can you see this? So yummy. Thank you all so much for watching. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye.